are now.
It's we're live, I guess.
We are?
So is somebody on Facebook? ताकि ऊपर नजर आ जाएगा. I'm also there. It's still
ऊपर वो आ रहा है. Notification आ गया.
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. Can somebody just quickly check if you're live on Facebook, just to be safe?
I am trying, or मुझे.
I'm having a look. Yes, we're
Okay,
live,
good.
guys.
Okay.
We're live.
All right. अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. आज हमारा 6th episode है of Epiphany Talks. Basically, just to let everybody know, Epiphany Talks हमने conceive किया था in light of the COVID crisis, and the idea was कि हम different conversations, start करें in those industries जो कि positively या negatively, जिनके ऊपर अच्छे असर या बुरे असरात हो रहे हैं because of COVID-19. So आज का जो topic है वो है Wonder Women in Pakistan's gaming industry. So obviously we're really excited क्योंकि वैसे इतनी ज़्यादा visible नहीं होती हैं ख़वातीन, स्पेशली गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. तो आज हम बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हैं कि इन सब ने टाइम निकाला है, स्पेशली 8 बजे किसी के घर में कुछ खाने पकाने की चीज़ें हो रही होती है, मे बी ईटिंग का टाइम हो. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. Epiphany Talks obviously different topics को explore करता है, and diversity, inclusion, women empowerment, those are some cross-cutting themes for us. So I guess हम English करेंगे, उर्दू English mix आज के सेशन, because that's what जो पाकिस्तानियों को सबसे ज़्यादा समझ भी आता है. ठीक है, हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं फ्रॉम डिफरेंट लोगों की तरफ से जिन्होंने फॉर्म्स फिल आउट किए थे. ऑल्सो फेसबुक के थ्रू प्लीज फील फ्री, आप लोग अपने क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं. कुछ लोग अटेंडीज की हैसियत से यहाँ पे मौजूद है हमारे पास इनसाइड द रूम, तो आप भी अपने क्वेश्चंस जो है Q&A वाला सेक्शन आपको नजर आएगा बॉटम पे, तो उसको आप इस्तेमाल करते हुए अपने सवालात डाल सकते हैं, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, और फिर हम कोशिश करके वो आंसर करेंगे. कॉन्वर्सेशन तकरीबन 40 to 45 मिनट्स करेंगे और फिर हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस ले लेंगे, या शायद बीच में जैसे जैसे कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है. अच्छा जी, सो मेरा नाम समर हसन है, मैं फाउंडर हूँ एपिफनी की, और मेरे साथ यहाँ पे फैंटास्टिक वुमेन, वंडर वुमेन, दैट्स हू दे आर फ्रॉम द गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री. सो सबसे पहले जवेरिया से पूछते हैं. जी जवेरिया, कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, आप क्या करती हैं, कहाँ?
Hi, sure. So I'm Javeria. I'm a 2D artist. Some of you might know me as Jafjan from my art accounts. I've been working for more than 5 years in the game industry over here. I've worked as a concept artist. I've done character design, environment design, prop design, and storyboarding for animations. And recently I started dabbling in UI UX design. But education-wise, I am a graduate in systems biology, so I'm a self-taught artist.
Okay, excellent. ठीक है, so we're going to talk. हम ये जरूर आपसे मालूम करेंगे कि कैसे एक बायोलॉजिस्ट जो है वो डिफरेंट बिल्कुल फील्ड के अंदर चली जाती हैं और सक्सेसफुल भी होती हैं. ठीक है, so we do want to talk to you about that. I'm going to quickly hop over to Maham. जी Maham, besides Maham is fantastic. ठीक है, so Maham ने हमारी बहुत हेल्प की है to identify ये जो सारी ख़वातीन जो आज हमें नजर आ रही हैं, तो उस पर उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा हमारी हेल्प की है, और हम माहम से पूछेंगे कि माहम करती क्या है.
Thank you so much, first of all, and सबसे पहले तो ये कि I had a wonderful time organizing and getting, मुझे भी काफ़ी लोगों का नहीं पता था, तो because ये एक reason बन गया मेरे लिए to get connected into my own network and make a whole community out of gaming. So that was, thank you so much for it with me. I am, like someone said, Ram Khan. I work as a lead QA engineer at Alta Technologies. I have basically, I'm more towards VR. So VR जो है वो gaming का part होती है, and I've been working in VR for about 4 years now. On the side, I work with Pakistani Women in Computing as a Lahore chapter lead, and we are working towards having these panels in collaboration with the Epiphany, right?
Okay, thank you, Maham. जी Anam.
Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम.
Mic off किया हुआ था, so there was no disturbance. So
Okay.
my name is Anam, and I'm currently working as game developer in Revolving Games. I have been in the industry for like 5 years now, and I have only worked on Unity platform for all these years. Earlier, I used to work on 3D platform, and now I'm working on 2D games. Education-wise, I basically come from Punjab University, College of Information Technology, Old Campus. I did my bachelor's in computer science. and that's about it. In leisure time, I usually play games or just do whatever comes.
Okay, कौन सा गेम खेल रही हैं आजकल आप? What's your favorite game?
Currently, League of Legends is on top because I have a lot of time on my hand.
Okay, so बाकी लोगों को बात कर देती हूँ. Everybody start thinking कि उनके favorite games कौन से हैं. अभी मैं आप लोगों के पास आने वाली हूँ एक सवाल के साथ. अच्छा जी, खया. Yes. Khaya is laughing away. Okay, Khaya, we're so happy to see
Yes,
that you're happy.
League of Legends, bhai. I love that game. Good choice. Good way to pass the time. For sure. So, yes, telling you about myself. I have been writing for about 15 years old. I was in 8th grade when I got my first professional job in the industry. So, since then I've been nominated for an Emmy, won an Eisner Award, and won a Peabody Award as well for my work on Burqa Avenger and my work on Miss Marvel. So, ज़्यादा मेरा career writing की तरफ था, but very recently, I would say about 4 साल हो गए since I dabbled into writing for video games. क्योंकि I've always loved video games. बचपन से मुझे शौक था, लेकिन I didn't know कि writing as a career हो सकता है video games until very recently. मुझे opportunities मिली और फिर मैंने I went into narrative and technical game design, and now currently I am the head of content at a transmedia company in Islamabad called Optera Digital. हम comics, video games, gamification करते हैं, बहुत सारा, like you name it, we do it, and it's fun. I love it. Wouldn't change it for the world.
Okay,
Or educational background में कुछ भी नहीं है. I am just a simple BBA student, no formal education or training.
So I think that's really, really important, ठीक है? Because as a reflection, काफी सारा हमारा जो काम है वो young लोगों के साथ होता है, not just entrepreneurs, but generally also young people who are still, trying to navigate. I want to say navigate because obviously काफी अरसे तक तो हम सबको doctors और engineers बनने का, हमारे parents को शौक था. I shouldn't say कि हमें शौक था, लेकिन
Yeah, I
anyway,
think that
तो
is
वो
so
सारा
true.
trend था.
Exactly.
लेकिन I think फिर उसके बाद obviously business schools का पूरा trend आया, Khaya, so I completely hear you. लेकिन after BBA, it is very interesting the way Khaya has launched herself in a completely different direction, ठीक है? So we'll talk. इसके बारे में भी हमने जरूर आपसे सवालात जरा ना पूछने हैं, ठीक है? कि especially खवातीन, generally young people, but especially खवातीन, how can you navigate your career that you end up doing something which maybe you like a lot more, right? And you're passionate about it. और फाइनेंशियल सस्टेनेबिलिटी इसमें कैसे हम हासिल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो दोनों चीजें साथ साथ, राइट? अच्छा जी फरियाद.
Hey Summer, so 2 of them said League of Legends. I'm sorry, I'm a big Dota fan. I've successfully clocked over 3,000 hours. Yes, it's one of my achievements. So League of Legends का तो मैं तारीफ नहीं करूँगी ज़्यादा, being a Dota player. But currently I'm running an asset creation studio. We're a dedicated asset creation studio, and inshallah animation maybe we plan to take that on in a couple of years. But abhi we are creating concept art, we create 2D fantasy card art, we create 3D models, high poly, low poly, you name it. हर तरह का हम काम कर रहे हैं. And basically our goal is to, inshallah, one day work with AAA studios and provide art for them. And abhi ke liye, we are basically providing art to game developers. So we're like art heroes, ek tarah se keh lein, for game developers who need help with the art side. 3D kaam chahiye, models chahiye, environments chahiye, effects, all of that. We do all that.
Perfect. Thank you, Faryad. Okay, Seher.
I'm a graduate from FAST. मैंने CS में graduate किया था, and मैंने अपना career शुरू ही gaming किया था as a QA engineer. So मेरा overall I have 7 years of experience. So उसमें से 6 years gaming का है, but recently like a year ago I shift to the other like native apps and all, and I changed my my post as well. मैंने अब QA से shift कर लिया management. So I'm working as a project manager in Zameen. So इससे पहले मैंने गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में 6 साल काम किया.
हाँ, तो आपको हमने इसलिए भी बुलाया बिकॉज हम मालूम करना चाहेंगे सहर के जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस था गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री का, हाउ इज इट हेल्पिंग यू इन योर करंट करियर, ठीक है? एंड आपने क्यों चेंज किया, ठीक है? सो कपल ऑफ पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस भी विल बी टॉकिंग टू यू अबाउट दैट. लेकिन सबसे पहले तो मैं थोड़ा सा ना रिफ्लेक्शन करना चाहूंगी विद द ऑडियंस कि जनरली इफ यू लुक एट इट, नजर आता है या फील होता है कि गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में खवातीन बहुत ज्यादा कम होंगी. और वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्चुअली 47% जो गेमर्स होती हैं वो विमेन होती हैं, लेकिन जनरली दे मेक अप लेस देन 12% ऑफ द गेम इंडस्ट्री, राइट? और गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री जो है वो ऑब्वियसली हाईली मेल डोमिनेटेड है। पाकिस्तान में हाउएवर अगर आप अल जजीरा की सोर्स की तरफ जाएं तो हमें मालूम पड़ता है कि पाकिस्तान के गेमिंग स्टूडियोज आर डूइंग बेटर देन डेवलप्ड नेशंस in terms of percentages of women in the workforce, and almost 50% यानी कि 50% जो गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में लोग हैं वो खवातीन हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं इन सारी खवातीन से पूछूंगी कि जब इतनी सारी अमेजिंग women है rocking the gaming industry of Pakistan, why are we not as visible? ठीक है, Khaya is okay, but maybe some of you guys individually can reflect that if there's so many women, technically this should be जैसे education के अंदर हमें हमेशा women ही women नजर आती हैं, right? So इधर इतनी क्यों हमें पता नहीं चलती? जी, Javeria wanted to say, and maybe just I mean, this is a question for everyone who wants
raise
to
a hand. I think, and speaking from personal experiences, of course, I can't generalize this, but I think one of the reasons why we don't see a lot of women, despite having a lot of them in our workforce in games, is that maybe they don't want to come into the spotlight. And uski different reasons ho sakti hain. Ek to hai imposter syndrome. Secondly, ye hai कि there's an unequal distribution of opportunities for women to come into the spotlight. And by spotlight, I mean कि बेशक अगर आप networking events पे जा रहे हो, conferences को attend कर रहे हो, stuff like that. So that, and lastly, I feel that maybe women, especially those who are in leadership roles, when they come into the spotlight, so there's a lot of negativity surrounding them, जिसको देख के फिर ये कि younger ख्वातीन जो कि आना चाहती हैं workforce में या role models ढूंढ रही होती हैं, they get discouraged because they don't want to, because it's a very mentally stressful situation to have, put yourself out there and then deal with a lot of negativity. So that's what I think on the subject.
Okay, so quickly, for our audience, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा तंग करूंगी जवेरिया, क्या मतलब होता है imposter syndrome, right? What do we mean by that? I know as women we understand, but let's educate everyone around us.
Okay, imposter syndrome basically is that you undermine yourself, and that can arise from a lot of reasons. Another way to put it would be underconfidence, and why that lack of confidence arises, that depends on multiple factors. I mean, maybe you're comparing yourself to other women in the field who you feel are, who you see are more accomplished, so you're always like, yeah, meri performance bahut achhi nahi. Secondly, or you might be in workplaces you might be undervalued. So then that again leads you down that road ki, acha, maybe I'm not good enough. So you start to doubt your own self. And that leads to imposter syndrome, that you feel like, acha, I'm in this situation, I'm over here, but I feel like a fraud. Halaki, you might have the capabilities to be in that position.
Yeah, so I guess another point is like lack of support bhi hota hai aksar, like आपके background में आपकी family की तरफ से या कुछ married होती है, वैसे ये भी एक factor होता है कि उसकी वजह से भी उनका confidence better होता है.
Because I feel that when we go against our, obviously, given our cultural expectations, being in the job field, I feel that there's an unconscious pressure on women to perform better. I think ये चीज स्कूल से हम लोग नोट करते आते हैं कि लड़कियां जो है वो positions ले रही होती हैं, and sometimes I wonder that probably it's because they have this need to prove themselves to their families कि we're performing well in this place, so we deserve to be here.
Okay, thank you, Javeria.
मैं कभी controversial थोड़ी सी अगर बात कर लूँ, हाँ, मैं भी बहुत controversial बात करने लगी हूँ, but I agree with everything that has been said so far. And one thing I would like to add to this is, और मुझे अभी बहुत hate आएगी, but मैं बोलूँगी ये कि औरतें बहुत हैं हमारी industry में, in the gaming industry, but they're all at lower level positions. They're not at higher level positions.
I agree with that.
Can I just add here? Can I add 1 second here? Absolutely. ठीक है. So why did this whole panel even come about? Because हमने 11th June को, which is just this Thursday, एक और panel कर रहे हैं हम, and all the men started confirming and accepting, and all the gentlemen are very talented, and most of them own gaming studios. But yeah, I couldn't
There's
find
a
enough
lack
women.
of women in leadership positions.
Yes.
So that's
We couldn't
important.
find a
Sorry, Khaya,
CEO.
sorry,
Exactly.
carry on. Sorry, Khaya. Okay, go.
No worries, no worries. It's nice to know that people agree with me here because मुझे लग रहा था पिलाती आएगी मेरे ऊपर और मैं
Really, you're absolutely,
You
uh,
are
you're
absolutely
absolutely
right.
spot on.
I agree with that also. Completely agree
Yeah,
with that
because
also.
हमने interestingly एक game बनाई थी. It was called the Samosa Project. इसमें हमने we ran it in various organizations, and especially game studios and media houses, to see कि gender bias कहाँ आता है और perception क्या है. And लोगों ने funnily enough perceive किया, male employees especially perceived कि there are a lot of female employees, but none of them are in leadership roles because all of them occupied roles which were meant for coordination, project management, या QA and art department.
HR.
High level management या lead position औरतों के पास about maximum 5% थी. So that.
But I mean, ये भी तो है ना कि देखो, we're generally a male-dominated society.
Yeah.
We've always
There
been
are
शुरू
already
से
less
एक
women in
patriarchy चल
the
रही
industry.
है.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
sorry ladies, I'm just going to cut you here. समझ नहीं आएगी, ठीक है? और ये बहुत important points हैं जो कि we need to get them across. So yes, Faryal, yes, go ahead. You have the.
Thank you, Summer. I was just going to say that we're predominantly a male-dominated society, and it's just that gaming is seen as a very male sport. शुरू से ही कि अगर I'm going to use very traditional arguments here, but अगर भाई गेमिंग कर रहा है तो बहन को किचन में उस तरह वाली चीज होती है. So obviously girls have been discouraged, and it's like any other sport. So अगर फुटबॉल देख लो, क्रिकेट खेल लो, क्रिकेट की हमारी जो women's team है, it's given less spotlight than जो हमारी males की cricket team है. It's a sport, ठीक है? And sports में women have always been held back. A male-dominated work environment leads to systematic issues. It creates barriers for women. It doesn't let them come up. And then एक ये भी होता है कि अच्छा हम अगर gamer लड़के हैं तो we will be at the top. Yeah, losing to a girl in a game is boys cannot bear it.
Very bad.
They cannot
Yes.
bear it at all.
Yes.
Like लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती है कि लड़की
I
से
mean, and
भाग
they
जाओ.
also question your abilities to be a gamer. I mean, I
Yeah.
know there's a lot of gatekeeping when it comes to the term girl gamer.
Oh my
If they
God,
start
don't
asking you
even
questions,
get
अच्छा
me
तूने ये game
started
खेली
on
है, ये
this.
game खेली है.
हाँ,
Exactly.
like boy
मैं
gamer
MMOs
नहीं
नहीं
है, girl
खेलती
gamer
अब.
है.
I stopped playing MMOs for this reason. मैं अब खाली
हाँ.
Xbox पे I play with my friends and my own community because Xbox is slightly more inclusive than PlayStation or and PC. Xbox has a very nice community. तो उस पे बैठ के उसमें Halo खेलती रहती हूँ. बस that's it.
Basically,
That's
if
nice.
you are a girl who likes gaming, मतलब अगर आप किसी को जाके कह भी दो ना कि I enjoy games, तो उनका सबसे पहला argument होता है, and they try to make it like कि if you are not perfect at a game and you are like the most pro player out there, you are not a gamer. If you can't play the perfect
Absolutely.
game, you suck. Seriously, उनका यही argument होता है कि अगर आप खराब खेल रहे हो, if you are not मतलब अच्छी आपकी skills नहीं है, या मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप games खेल रहे हो, you enjoy them, आपकी hobbies हैं, तो you are a gamer. End of story. You don't have to be a professional player to be called a gamer. ये चीज हमारे यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा है.
Yeah, absolutely, I agree to that. I would like to add something to the original question. Okay, why do women are so less represented? So the thing is that I actually belong to the family. Like my siblings are also in game development, or both सारे बहुत senior positions में. So I actually grew up seeing the whole game development scenario in Pakistan. I saw how the industry got set up in Islamabad, and I got a glimpse of it in Lahore also. So I did see. I mean, मेरा definitely थोड़ा सा controversial है in comparison to Saya. Okay, I actually saw how this was all set up, and it was honestly very haphazard. The whole gaming industry, like even right now, all of the major major companies, जितने भी CEOs हैं, they at any given time they worked in 2 specific companies. Like 10 years back, they worked in just 2 companies, or in 2 companies में से निकल के बाकी सारे CEOs बने, like Frag Games के, Mindstorm के, and then you have VRplay in Islamabad, you have like Optera, and then you have even Quixel, which is one of the biggest, like it has become a unicorn in Pakistan for gaming. So all of those CEOs at any given time, they work together, and even now they're acquaintances. So I saw this all, like Abbas Bhai is a family friend, Mehran Khan is my brother, Quixel CEO, he's a family friend, and all that. This was all very set up very haphazardly, and it was set up by people जिनके पास या तो they had a lot of resources to just like chill out and try out an industry which is never tested. It was an extremely risky endeavor for everyone, and it took about 5 to 10 years to mature to a level to have like to support people and their incomes. Like शुरू के 5 से 8 साल everyone was like कि job खत्म, अभी हमने कुछ और करने जाना है, अभी हम जो है ना बैंक में चले जाएंगे या फिर किसी सॉफ्टवेयर हाउस में चले जाएंगे, ये गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री अभी खत्म. So the thing is कि for women, as just considering कि हम किस society में रहते हैं, हमारे लिए ये risk take लेना insanely impossible. Our parents would come in, our siblings would come in कि नहीं, जो काम करना है ना, अगर तुमने जॉब करनी है तो तुमने ऐसी जॉब करनी है जो 9 to 5 हो, जो confirmed हो, जिसकी इनकम जो वो confirmed हो, कोई रिस्क की जगह काम नहीं करना, क्योंकि with risk there came a lot of like processes नहीं थे, hierarchy नहीं थी, कोई confirmed income नहीं थी, so people were staying in the offices, working late, and like it was very bad. But now we have come to a time where industry is maturing, setup process setup हो रहे हैं, company setups हो रही हैं. हम right now it's a viable option to
Absolutely.
Yes.
So can we say that the boys have done the work that needed to get done? Thank you, boys. You know, all of you guys who started
The boys have done it, and the women can take over now.
Absolutely.
We can do it better. We can do it much better.
Or
as
at least
we've
work
proven it.
alongside with them. That's fine, right? So look, I think
I
that's
mean,
a
sure, if that's another
but
option.
I think what is very
Yeah.
important is ये जो background है, Maham, thank you for sharing, ठीक है? Because it's important कि हर चीज में एक journey है. Sometimes it's easier and they've landed where they are. But right now, let's say, ठीक है, what I'm taking away कि अब मौका अच्छा है, time भी अच्छा हो गया,
Absolutely.
viable careers बनाए जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? So now
Yes,
let's come
absolutely.
towards some strategies, okay? So and I think that's important कि आप लोगों की जो अपनी journeys हैं, क्या-क्या पढ़ा, कैसे यहाँ पे land किया, थोड़ा सा let's reflect back. How did you guys end up coming here? ठीक है, कुछ लोगों ने हल्का-हल्का से mention किया अपनी introductions में.
Yes.
Let's do a deep dive, ठीक है? So we'll start with Javeria because वो जल्दी से उन्होंने unmute कर दिया जी Javeria.
Okay. So I actually came to know about the game industry by coincidence because right after I graduated from my bachelor's and I was applying for masters abroad, my brother told me to apply to VR Play and explore options that could get me a career with art. Because I've always been an artist by hobby. मैंने art को जो है university level पे pursue नहीं किया था क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था कि मतलब क्या options हैं, career paths क्या हैं. Because you know that starving artist saying, तो yeah, तो वो मतलब जो है ना उस चीज का बड़ा मजाक उड़ता था. तो I was like, अच्छा नहीं, I'll go for a technical field because I was interested in bioinformatics a lot. And I wanted to go into academics, but खैर masters के लिए गई हूँ, वापस आई हूँ, and I went back to VR Play to work. Yeah, so and it was a good experience over there. It really opened me up to a lot of options as an artist, what I can do. So what I can say is what I love about games, game development, is that it's such an interdisciplinary nature that it doesn't really matter what sort of education background or skill you have. You can be a musician, you can be a writer or marketer or anyone who can actually connect their skills and see how they can contribute to games. Yep. They can come and work in the industry.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. So girls and boys, both of you out there, ठीक है, अगर आपने BBA किया हुआ है, आपने computer science पढ़ी हुई है, आपने नहीं पढ़ी हुई, आपने literature पढ़ा हुआ है, instead of thinking कि अब आप literature पढ़ के सिर्फ पढ़ा सकते हैं, you can just have a teaching job. Maybe explore the gaming industry, right? So I think one of the things that we're taking away is that interdisciplinary field है. And anybody is welcome and you can come in and timing अच्छा है, right? So अगर हम COVID का थोड़ा से एक second के लिए बात करें, how many of us हमने already बात कर लिया, 3,000 hours have been clocked by one of them. अभी अगर हम collective करेंगे तो I think काफी सारे इन्होंने खेली होंगे. हमारे पास खुद एक one of our the persons who works with us on and off, she's a gamer, hardcore gamer, ठीक है. रोज रात को I hear कि वो पता नहीं रात से लेके सुबह तक she's playing games, ठीक है. So I mean we do have that, and you can also make money while playing games, right? So has somebody made money while playing games over here? Just a show of hands. Not
I
yet.
tried. I never got to the point that I got affiliated or got a badge, but I tried for a year.
ठीक है, so maybe
Connection इतना अच्छा नहीं है.
internet
Net
इतना
connection बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है for this over here.
अच्छा, so Seher hasn't spoken for quite a while. Seher, can I ask you, आपने कहा कि आपने कंप्यूटर साइंस किया था बैकग्राउंड में, ठीक है, और फिर भी लेकिन गेमिंग की तरफ आप कैसे वो आई हो? अच्छा, मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर दूं? ओके,
मैं कर रही हूँ, मैंने म्यूट सिर्फ इसलिए कर दिया 4 आता है तो
नो, नॉट एट ऑल, या
मैंने ग्रेजुएटेड बैक इन 2013। तो उस वक्त आप जब नए नए ग्रेजुएट होते हो तो आप यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, आप अप्लाई कर रहे होते हो इधर उधर हर जगह। तो मैंने इसी तरह मतलब हर जगह अप्लाई किया। पास में वैसे ही वो सेमिनार होते थे, वो सारे मतलब आपके पास आती हैं कंपनीज, आती हैं वो रिक्रूटमेंट कंपनीज, रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव्स होती हैं। तो वो उस वक्त यूजुअली मतलब मोस्टली हैपन कि मुझे मेरी नज़र में ज़्यादा गेमिंग की ही आई। टिंटाश थी उस वक्त वन ऑफ द, फिर जीवीएस थी गेमिंग स्टूडियोज, एंड देन देयर वाज अनदर जिसमें मैंने जॉब की थी, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली अब बंद हो गई हुई है, जो मेरी पहली जहाँ मैंने पहली की थी। तो वो जस्ट मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा। आई वाज लाइक, मैं अभी नई नई ग्रेजुएट हुई थी तो आई वाज लाइक गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री है, फन होगा इस तरह से, तो आई जस्ट लैंडेड देयर। और साल काम किया, उसके बाद फिर आई स्विच टू माइंडस्टॉर्म स्टूडियोज। माइंडस्टॉर्म स्टूडियोज व्हिच हैपन टू बी वेरी रिनाउंड, मतलब है अभी भी है, लाइक वो काफी टॉप पे गए, नीचे आए, अब फिर टॉप पे चले गए। तो
जी
ये
जी।
गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री का है कि ये चलता रहता है, ये ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है।
अच्छा, ये बताएं,
landed
तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, थैंक्स Seher. Seher, if you have any message for Babar, we're having him on the 11th. अगर कुछ आप कहना चाहती publicly, if you want to, if you haven't asked, we can ask
नहीं,
Babar on.
Actually,
नहीं
Seher is a
ऐसा
very Seher has a very
Yes.
interesting journey because in game development बहुत एक serious problem है कि वो इतनी एक specialized track है कि a lot of people who actually enter game development and after a couple of years they are unable to switch to any other industry. So for me, like I have been in game development for like 4 years. So मेरे लिए track change करना बहुत ही इस वक्त मुश्किल हो जाएगा because I've spent a lot of years in it and like 2D artists, 3D artists, a lot of this. But Seher has been able to switch from pure gaming QA, जिसमें वो Mindstorm में बहुत ऊपर तक चली गई, and then वो VR में भी आई because she's one of my she's like actually a colleague of my
Yeah, I
ex-colleague.
actually I've worked with Maham, yeah.
Yeah,
तो मैं
so we worked
हर तरह
together.
की गेम्स
So
पे
I know
काम
her.
किया वैसे।
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she was able to go ahead and join Zameen at like peak wave. ये नहीं कि छोटा like शुरू में ही jump कर लिया. She was able to go after 6 years to Zameen as a SaaS program project manager, which is like very hard.
यहाँ पे मैं क्लियर कर दूं कि जमीन वैसे SaaS नहीं, सिर्फ B2C, B2B नहीं है, वो B2C है। वो इसमें इंट्रोडक्शन में लिखा था B2C।
Okay, but so Seher, आपको कुछ problems हुई थी when you switched over? Yeah, were you able to pick up,
गेमिंग में
learn
अच्छा यूजुअली गेमिंग के दौरान तो स्विच करते थे क्योंकि डोमेन सेम थी, इंडस्ट्री भी सेम थी, तो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। शुरू से पहली जॉब से जब माइंडस्टॉर्म में स्विच किया तो माइंडस्टॉर्म में आई लर्न अ लॉट। मतलब वहाँ पे क्योंकि मिड कोर गेम्स थी, स्टार्ट और कैजुअल गेम्स भी थी, हर तरह की गेम्स थी, तो वहाँ पे मतलब मेजर लर्निंग मेरी वहीं पे हुई थी एग्जैक्टली। तो वहाँ मतलब आई ज्वाइंड एज ए क्यू इंजीनियर, आई लेफ्ट एज ए सीनियर क्यू इंजीनियर। तो वहाँ मैंने 2-3 साल काम किया। तो वहाँ पे प्रॉपर पूरा फनल, पूरी मतलब पाइपलाइन देखी बनते हुए, गेम कैसे शुरू कहाँ से होती है, प्रोडक्ट साइड से ड्राइव होती है, उसके बाद कैसे डेवलपमेंट में आके वो सारा खुद से देखा है, पूरा प्रोसेस रन होते हुए देखा। उसके बाद मैंने टू VR, वहाँ पे मुझे इशू हुआ था यार, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल टोटली डिफरेंट एक एनवायरनमेंट, टोटली डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी थी। इससे पहले मेरा मोबाइल गेम्स का ही एक्सपीरियंस था, तो वो थोड़ा शुरू में हुआ था कि थोड़ा सा लर्न, लेकिन अगेन वो आई वाज लकी इनफ कि मुझे हर दफ़ा टीम्स अच्छी मिलती रही हैं और वो सपोर्टिव नहीं है। तो एंड महम वाज आल्सो देयर, तो फिर मुझे वो हेल्प मिलती रही है, इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ ऐसा।
So I'm quickly going to jump to Faryal. So Faryal, थोड़ा सा आप अपनी journey के बारे में बताओ, because now mashallah you're holding a the highest leadership position, right? So tell us a little about your journey.
Well, मेरी भी कुछ ऐसी शुरू हुई थी. I graduated doing art, media and technology, so it was a mix of game design courses they taught us. So what happened with me was कि इतना interest था to get into game development कि एक semester JavaScript सीख ली, तो अगले semester HTML सीख लिया, अगले semester CS Sharp सीख लिया. And by the time I graduated, I didn't have any language under my belt, so I couldn't really code anything, but I could understand and read them all.
Okay.
So then I decided that art media was stronger, so I should go into that. So then I spent a year as an intern, and then eventually a full-time employee at a company here, Defense में थी. And वहाँ से I was given the opportunity to actually try different fields. So I tried 3D, I tried coding, I actually tried HR for a bit, उधर ही. So काफी चीज़ों का I got to experiment, and then I realized that I want to create art, really good art, जिससे आप खुद inspire होते हो, जो आप games में देखते हो, the games that I play, the games that I watch, YouTube पे इतनी ज़्यादा हैं. And then from there, it was another year of changing jobs, like 2-3-4 different tracking. And उसमें भी I realized that what people are actually doing here is that they take assets from a game that they created last month, उसको copy paste करेंगे, उसको change करेंगे, and अपनी अगली game निकाल लेंगे. And I was like, I can't be a part of that. Knowing that there's such extraordinary work out there, how can I be just copy pasting assets? And उसके बाद I was like, यार नहीं, ये तो ठीक नहीं है. So then I figured कि अच्छा, I'm going to be a 2D artist, and I'm going to change the way we look at art, and full like वो वाली थी. So I tried to get into FCD, Fengzhou School of Art and Design. I got in, वीजा नहीं लगा सिंगापुर का. I was like, यार ठीक है, अपना शुरू करते हैं फिर. Why not? Let's recruit, let's assemble like a power team and just create excellent artwork. And alhamdulillah, it's been going really well. It's been about 7, I think 8 months up since we've created Artsaw concepts, and we're working with good teams, we're working with good clients, अच्छी games बन रही हैं, अच्छा काम निकल रहा है. And I just realized that this is what I want to do, inshallah, for the rest of my life, because it's just good work. I enjoy producing good work, and that's how I ended up here. So it was a struggle, it was a journey. हर तरह की industry, हर तरह की field में basically पहले experiment किया, उसको सीखा, उसको समझा, and then I ended up here.
So very good. So lesson to draw from Faryal's story, right? So कोई straight path नहीं है कि अचानक से you end up becoming the CEO of of your own company, doing something that you enjoy doing, जो आपका passion है, जो आपका interest है. Sometimes हमें process of elimination, ये मैं कहती हूँ, I like to call it process of elimination.
That's what it was.
different चीजें try करनी होती हैं and then figure out अच्छा ये भी नहीं करना, ये भी नहीं करना. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको पता होता है exactly वो बचपन से कि मुझे ये करना है. And I have always envied them, okay? And at a certain level, maybe I hate them, okay? I dislike them intensely. Chalo, hate is such a strong word. So I want to quickly jump to Anam, because Anam ने बहुत देर से बातें नहीं की हैं. जी Anam, आपकी क्या story है? What's your story?
So basically मेरी story थोड़ी सी इससे different है, क्योंकि I think जो भी आपने बात की है ना कि you hate the people who know what they want to do in life.
Dislike.
It wasn't like 100%. I didn't 100% knew that I wanted to get into gaming, but me and my brothers, we used to play all the time since childhood. और करते करते मेरा भी process of elimination ही चला था. I was first a medical student. I was studying medical when I was in matric. Then I switched to pre-engineering because I was like, okay, this is not something I enjoy learning. Then I studied FSC pre-engineering, and when I went for applying to universities, then I was like, hey, this is just not clicking to me. I do not like it. And that's when my brother pitched this idea to me that we play games all the time. Why don't you try getting into this game development field? That was the time when it wasn't very well established field, and literally everyone around me told me that you are literally making a huge mistake. Everyone stopped me. When I graduated, I basically had like 3 offers in my hand from different software houses, and 2 of them were web development based. And one was game development that I personally applied at. मैं खुद कई software house वाले वो जो भी आपके job fairs वाले लगते हैं उनके पास I was like, okay, I want to do it, and they also liked my ideas. And basically जो ideas होते हैं ना कि if you have creative thinking and you can think in the terms of gaming कि किस तरह से game को बनाया जाए, that is very important in this field. If you are not creative, you won't be able to have a vision regarding games. तो अब मेरे पास 3 ये थे offers, and I chose I went for the game development, and even then everyone was like, please don't go for it, you will regret it. मैंने फिर यही कहा था कि अगर मैं ये नहीं करूँगी ना तो I will regret it कि I left it for better pay. Basically that was the thing. And I can probably say I did not regret making that decision. अगर मैं वापस जाती तो मैं दोबारा यही डिसीजन करती and I would have gone for game development again and again. So
Very
that was
good.
my journey basically.
That is awesome to hear. ठीक है, again, you know, Mohammed Nafe has been saying wow and he's interacting the most. बाकी attendees को हम कहेंगे कि please interact करें.
Thank you.
और Facebook पे, in a little while I quickly open the Facebook page as well to see what sort of comments and questions we're getting there. But look, I think another lesson, ठीक है, तो अगर यहाँ से एक lesson हम draw away करें, so at least आपको, you know, you have to pursue your passion once. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? You may fail at it. कोई बात नहीं, it's not a failure, it's a learning. सही, एंड एटलीस्ट अगर नहीं किया तो रिग्रेट रह जाता है, तो एटलीस्ट रिग्रेट नहीं है, ठीक है. एंड लुक एट अनम, माशाल्लाह शी इज शाइनिंग, सो वेल डन अनम, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम क्लैपिंग फॉर यू. ओके, ओवर टू हु शुड वी टॉक टू? आई थिंक खया हैज बीन रियली पेशेंट एंड क्वाइट. सॉरी महम, तुम बीच में बातें कर रही थी, ठीक है जी. खया, खया बताएंगे कि खया यू वर 16, राइट?
I was not 16, नहीं, I was in 8th grade. तो मैं
8th grade, which means what, 14? Yeah, 14 years.
Yeah, because I first worked as a graphic designer, logos बनाती थी for like odds and ends.
Everyone starts there. It's okay. Everyone starts there.
Yeah.
So look, you know why I'm
पैसे कमाए थे मैंने, बड़ा मजा आया था. Freelance का अपना मजा होता है.
सुनो, तो ये मैं जो ना, ये थोड़ा सा क्या कहते हैं, मेरा ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, थोड़ा सा सेल्फिश क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज मेरी जो बेटी है, शी इज टर्निंग 10 इंशाल्लाह in 3 days, and she's already doing a lot of digital work, right? And she keeps telling me, give me a job, mom. So she designed our 25th December wali Qaid-e-Azam ki poster. So yes, so Khaya, please tell me, okay, what am I supposed to do with this really creative kid? What did you?
I'll give you the example of what my sisters are doing. So my younger sister is 10 साल छोटी है, so she is now 19. 19. नहीं, 18. I don't even remember. God, ages नहीं आते मुझे मेरी बहनों के. But yeah, one is 10 years younger than me, one is 13 years younger than me. बहुत छोटी हैं. They're teenagers, young adults हैं. And they are now coding their own games, visual novels बैठ के बना रही हैं. They were at the game jam इधर जो इस्लामाबाद में होता है. They won the game jam. My team थी. They won the game, and they were, by the way, up against Binex and Rockwell and all these people, and they won the game jam. We are playing with you there. Yeah, they made a whole game, RPG Maker में they won. So you know, I say when kids have this talent, and when when they have that passion, क्या हमने पैसे बनाने हैं, we want to cultivate our passion and make something, get a return on our investment, I say go for it. Encourage them as much as possible. देखिए जब मैं छोटी थी और जब मैं logos बनाती थी, my dad would always encourage me because my dad was a pioneer in this industry and he was very very passionate. ठीक है मेरी बेटी नहीं करना चाह रही, जो डॉक्टरी नहीं करना चाह रही, इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना चाह रही, कुछ नहीं होता. तो I am very privileged कि I was in this position where my parents supported me कि जो भी मैं कुछ करना चाहती, my parents were like जो करना है कर लो. I am very very privileged. मैं मानती हूँ मेरी luck है कि I was blessed with parents who supported me every step of the way. ये अक्सर नहीं होता, about 95% नहीं होता लड़कियों के साथ, even लड़कों के साथ, when you're choosing an unorthodox field of work. लेकिन my parents said कि कर editor बनना है बनो, जो करना है करो अपनी तरफ से, as long as you're happy. So I think always tell your kids that, and if show them avenues. अब मैं अपनी बहनों को भी कहती हूँ कि look at this site, this is where you can upload your work, you can go on to this place and showcase your work ताकि people can approach you. That is very important. Show them avenues. The second you show them avenues, then they'll start experimenting. They'll see. अब मेरी बहनें अपनी videos जो बनाती हैं, they do 3D modeling, वो बैठ के अब YouTube पे upload कर रही होती हैं. I don't discourage them ever. उनको कभी कभार hate मिलती है, तो वो मेरे पास आती है, discourage हो जाती है, यार हमें ये फ्लॉ comment आए, negative comment आए. Just tell them, deal with it. For every 3 praises you'll get 1 hate comment. कुछ नहीं होता. Don't let it stop you from doing it. So I think that's very important, and this is something you should definitely tell your daughter कि keep doing it. Hate आएगा, कुछ नहीं होता, but always work towards growing your passion and give her tutorials, give her resources, show her platforms where she can cultivate it, definitely, because she's looking for your support. Number one,
Absolutely.
a child is always looking for their parents' support and their peers' support. Always.
So tell us more about what happened with you. So you were 13, 14, whatever, and then how did this happen?
I applied at this place. It was called Numericals back in the day. Usme, some of the greats who are now doing so much work, they were there. It was a startup. We were making an animation, a season animation for young adults. It was slightly more mature. It was like the South Park of Pakistan, basically. So I was hired. मैंने जाके इंटरव्यू दिया और आई रिमेम्बर गोगी आंटी बैठी हुई थी, उनका बेटा नुमेर बैठा हुआ था, विस कंपनी। मैंने लगा अच्छा आप अपना जरा आईडी कार्ड तो देते हैं। हमने और मेरे पास आईडी कार्ड नहीं है। लाइक हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? हमने कहा आई एम 15, मेरे पास आईडी कार्ड नहीं है। तो लाइक अच्छा बैंक अकाउंट का क्या करोगे? हमने मेरे अब्बू का बैंक अकाउंट ले ले। तो यू नो I was very young and I was put in a lead position, which was very funny because I was the lead writer there. और मेरे साथ फहीम आजम थे जो भी he's a, you know, an amazing writer comedian, both थे, and he was freshly married at the time and I was only 15 और वो कहती थी फहीम भाई हाँ मैं आपकी lead हूँ और वो कहते थे आप मुझसे छोटी हो। So, you know, that was my first experience and I am very very happy कि I can say कि बचपन से ही Mera experience in the media industry and even in the gaming industry has been very positive. I was surrounded by, again, I'm very lucky. मैं हमेशा ये कहूँगी, सबका experience ये नहीं है. There are a lot of negative experiences in this industry. लेकिन me, I am very, very lucky कि I've always been surrounded by people who have mentored me and who have kind of brought me up and taught me कि हाँ इस तरह करो या ये resources पकड़ो, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा I was self-taught. So I would rely on people around me कि मैं ये कैसे करूँ. I would keep talking to people in the office कि अच्छा मुझे ये चीजें नहीं पता, can you tell me, can you teach me, can you tell me what to do here. उसी तरह फिर मैंने सीखा कि animation होती कैसे, 2D कैसे होती है, 3D animation कैसे होती है. And then after that I stopped for a bit. I did some freelancing on the side. I actually opened up a blog on Tumblr और उधर पे मुझे Marvel ने contact किया था. They saw कि मैं फैन फिक्शन लिख रही हूँ अंदर लाइक ओ अच्छा फैन फिक्शन लिख रही है.
क्वेश्चन भी आया है आपके लिए, ठीक है खया, मार्वल और डीसी एंड व्हाई, ये आपके लिए क्वेश्चन
है. Oh no.
So you can think, you can choose how you want to answer.
मैं not at liberty to answer. The snipers बैठे होते हैं मार्वल के, ठीक है. यार ये मुझसे लोग बहुत पूछते हैं Xbox, PlayStation, Marvel, DC. I am that person who always says both क्योंकि everything has its खूबी खामियां. Marvel का I love the old school Marvel stuff. DC का I love. अब I'm a huge Zack Snyder fan. मुझे Batman vs Superman बहुत पसंद है, लोगों को नहीं पसंद, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I liked Infinity War. So they're like I can't choose. I really can't.
All right, well, you've answered the question at least. There was a question. इसी तरह एक और question आया हुआ है for Faryal. Faryal, I would encourage you कि आप नीचे question and answer में देख लो, ठीक है. In the meantime, I'm going to jump to Maham, ठीक है, because Maham has been so quiet for such a long time. Ji Maham, for you, what would you say, and also maybe reflect because you talked about how you've looked at the gaming industry ना काफी detail में. तो थोड़ा सा ये भी बताओ कि अगर कोई new अब entrant आना चाह रहा है gaming industry में, उनके पास क्या-क्या possibilities हैं. एक तो of course they can work for existing gaming studios. Can they actually, is it too late now for them to set up their own gaming studio? Should they try to become a publisher? What should they choose to do? ठीक है, so दोनों चीजें बताओ, थोड़ा सा अपना भी and then this.
Okay, so about me, I grew up in an environment जहाँ पे game development was very very in. मेरे भाई about I don't even remember 15 साल पहले he sent a letter to Sega saying कि मैं आपके साथ काम करना चाहता हूँ. It's been just about game development since then in my home. So, but yeah, growing up, I actually in Inter I wanted to be a programmer. Very specifically, I wanted to be a programmer. I didn't want to get into game development as such. I didn't have a lot of interest in making games. I had an interest in playing games, only playing. I wanted to do something else. I wanted to explore. I'm very much into gathering information, नई information मिलनी चाहिए, कुछ नया होना चाहिए, हर वक्त कुछ नया होना चाहिए. That's why I don't have one favorite game. I have played way too many games. I play every single game जो नई आती है, and I just like end करके या फिर 50% करके मैं बंद कर देती हूँ. I have no, मैं Dota और League of Legends तरह कोई मेरा dedicated में किसी की भी नहीं है. So when I did my BS Computer Science from a very very small college, जो कि बहुत छोटा सा कॉलेज है इस्लामाबाद में, जो कि affiliated to Punjab University, and जिसका मैंने किया है वो मैंने मोस्टली खुद ही किया है, या फिर अल्लाह का शुक्र है पाकिस्तान में वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी है क्योंकि उसके लेक्चर्स मिल जाते हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच गवर्नमेंट क्या वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी बनाई. But yeah, I did my bachelor's of computer science, and then I actually am from Islamabad. I spent my entire life in Islamabad, and then after graduation, my brother had to move to Lahore, and we were like, "Sabne saath hi rehna chahiye, kuch bhi ho jaye." So we all moved to Lahore, and then I came here and I got a job, and I applied in an IoT startup actually. और वहाँ पे जाके जो था they were like मुझे इंटरव्यू के पूरे एंड में उन्होंने एक सवाल पूछा IoT या VR and I was like wait a minute VR that sounds interesting and I said VR and then that was it. I have been in VR and game development since then. I never looked back.
Ever since.
So
okay.
Ever since.
So look, we
so
oh sorry.
About your second question, is it too late or is it one thing I want to actually talk about right now, because this is a very good time to talk about this. Right now is a very, very nice time to get into game development in Pakistan. We're setting up processes. A lot of good companies have acquired very good money, and they have acquired not just funding, they have had collaborations, partnerships, they got acquired by really big companies. So a lot of job opportunities are stirring up, and we are actually in a good situation looking forward 5 to 10 years. But the problem right now that I have come to see is that people, young people or mid-career people, they don't exactly know what kind of opportunities there are in a gaming company. And the second part is that the companies themselves are still like, the big companies are like Pixel and VR Play, they have some processes in place, and like Mindstorm, they have like a hierarchy or something going on. But all of the startup ones, they're still a bit haphazard and they're like getting stuff together. So they themselves don't know, okay, what kind of stuff, what kind of people they can bring in, what kind of positions they can fill in to polish their game even further, which is the need of the hour actually, to make good products, sellable products, and so we can actually start bringing in the revenue, jo ki is more like $1 billion plus ki industry mein hum baithe hain is waqt, and we should be able to bring in a lot of money because we have a lot of good talent, people that can actually work. So right now the need of the hour, which I actually want to work towards, I want to like going forward the whole year, I want to spread awareness about ke aap kin positions mein as a game developer kaam kar. You don't need to be a CS grad or a programmer to work in the Khaya is a very, very big example of that you don't. And then Faral is a very big example. Javeri is a very big example. Like you don't need to be a CS grad. You don't need to know programming to be able to make games. If you're passionate about gaming, and if you're passionate about, even if you're not passionate about gaming, if your mindset is more logical, because game development in itself is one of the most toughest fields out there. Like making a website would be easier than making a game because it's very challenging. It is very dependent on human interaction, user interfaces. There are a lot of components that bring together to make one single product. So it's, I want to get that out. There are a lot of places that you can work, like you can be a literature major, you can be a business major, you can be a marketing major, you can be any kind of major. And I can tell you that you give me a name and I can tell you where they can work in a game.
Okay,
like,
that's excellent. So look, for everybody who's listening in through our Facebook, etc. By the way, my team just messaged that we've crossed 100 people who are viewing this live. So awesome. Wow. Way to go, girls. So you guys are awesome advocates for people who are trying to pursue careers in games, etc. अब आप लोगों से थोड़ी से जो questions मुझे पूछने हैं अभी, ठीक है? And these are kind of going to be like rapid fire questions. Whoever wants to answer, just raise your hand. Literally, ठीक है? We're just going to do that, right? You guys play games all the time anyway, ठीक है? अच्छा जी. So ये हमने कहा है कि what are some of the loopholes that you witnessed in the gaming industry? That's one question.
Copy pasting.
Okay, copy pasting.
उठा के अगली गेम में, yeah.
हाँ,
नए assets बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना.
अच्छा, so let me add another dimension. ठीक है? Problems discuss करेंगे. What are the loopholes, and then we'll quickly discuss what are the strategies. ठीक है? ताकि because yes, all of us know there are problems. This is Pakistan after all, right? We're still an emerging economy, but we are an emerging economy. So how can we improve, right? Okay, G. Javeria, yes, over to you.
Okay, so regarding loopholes, there are some positive loopholes to being in the game industry, जो कि already काफी लोगों ने discuss कर लिए हैं कि one, you don't need a relevant background. Secondly, you don't need to be a programmer to come into this field and contribute. And I would add to that and this is a question that a lot of people have asked me, that do you need to be like a hardcore gamer to work in games? And I would say no. Me being one example, I've always been kind of an oddity in my workplace because I don't play a lot of games. But uski bhi reason, I think I realized, like after listening to Brecode's talk about designing games for people who don't make games, I realized that it's not that I don't like games, it's just that I have a very specific taste in games, which is basically wholesome, healing games. So these are the positive loopholes. And I would say to all these young people who, regardless if they play games or not, the big games at least, just go for it. Matlab, if you are passionate about games, yeah, do you have a focus? Yeah, if you have an interest in the field and you feel that there's something you can contribute to it, so you are most welcome to contribute.
ठीक है, so that's good. What about some specific loopholes? जी फरियाल, आप कह रही हो creativity का issue है, copy pasting. हाँ, how do we counter
creativity
that?
का बहुत issue है. So me actually running a content and asset creation studio, I can tell you कि लोग हमारे पास आते हैं and they're just like so we created this game and इसी तरह की ना exact हमें copy बना दो assets की, and I'm like, well, there's no fun in that. So we actually we're very picky about the projects that we take on and the people that we work with. So आधे से ज़्यादा पाकिस्तानी industry के साथ we don't work. I'm sorry to say this, but we don't because we like to challenge ourselves, make better assets. And when people come to us and say, okay, would you Archero abhi it's been a big hit, and they come to us and we're like, जी Archero जैसे exact हमें game के assets बना दें. We're like, यार नहीं, we're not going to do that. We're going to keep the project.
So look, यहाँ पे ना there's a question also from the audience. वो पूछ रहे हैं, do we really have creative minds to compete with India, China, and other countries, right?
Definitely.
So उसको कैसे
Absolutely.
Yeah, we can go head to head, not just with India and China, but we can go head to head with UK, with Europe, USA, just the big ones. Ubisoft के against हम जा सकते हैं. इसमें क्या बात है? मतलब creativity comes from you, and it's just basically it's inspiration and the initiative to make anything better. So आप अगर एक basic सी mobile game भी ले लो, and look at people, they're making MOBA and they're making League of Legends for mobile. मतलब ये सारी creativity से आ रही है ना, तो हमारे पास है creativity. People are doing so much incredible work पाकिस्तान में. So थोड़ी सी मेहनत चाहिए, shortcuts ना लो, copy pasting छोड़ दो, तो खुद ही creativity आ जाएगी. We don't lack it. We're too lazy, I think, to do something about it.
Okay, we'll jump to Maham. Ji Maham.
I would love to give an example for that. About competing with everyone else, just not India and Bangladesh. Pixel is a very big example. They just got acquired by Epic, which is one of the biggest engine makers in the world. And then our second examples are the people I've worked with. Our VR products for 1 year, 15 to 16. The product I worked on, Casino VR, which it was the biggest social interactive app in Oculus Store. It got featured 4 times consecutively on Oculus Connect conference. The product I'm working on right now, Arthur VR, is also got featured as one of the three biggest enterprise solutions for Facebook partners in VR, and that's all 100% Pakistani developed products. All you need to do is have a more business mind. Like think about selling your products. So if you've noticed, all the companies who have acquired actual marketing people and finance people and converted their company into an actual company with people processes, they have gotten really big deals and really big revenue. So talent is there. I feel like our problem is lack of processes, and a very big thing is lack of creativity, which Faryal is saying. Like copy pasting karo, and it's not just assets, it's coding also.
Yeah.
I've seen कि companies जो run कर रही होती हैं, एक open source उन्होंने एक code ले लिया endless runner का, और उसके ऊपर हर जो है ना हर 2 महीने बाद एक नई game बना के store पे डाले जा. And now that Play Store ने ban कर दिया, now is the perfect time to actually find new IPs, make new products.
Okay. So देखो again, so we're talking about timing ठीक है to do this, right? अभी हम so suppose we're very very creative people, right? I mean चलो मैं भी अपने आप को आप लोगों के साथ शामिल कर देती हूँ. You guys are more creative than I am, ठीक है? Let's say कि हम सारे यहाँ बैठे हुए. What can we do to spur the creativity element? Have our kids read more storybooks, right? Because obviously that spurs the mind. Make them watch better documentaries. Should they be experiencing life, going out in nature? What are they supposed to be doing? Character, role building,
They should be playing better games. They shouldn't be playing mobile games made in Pakistan. They should be playing the good ones like Ori and the Blind Forest, Little Big Planet खेलो, Dota खेलो, League खेलो. इतनी अच्छी games हैं यार. मतलब खिलाओ बच्चों को.
Problem solving games, logical games, puzzle games.
I will also say one thing here कि other than playing all these games, जो सबसे पहले talk के start में जो बात हुई थी, that was imposter syndrome. एंड दैट इज द मेन थिंग जिसकी वजह से हमें लगता है कि हम गेम्स अच्छी नहीं बना सकते, हम उनका मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते, हालांकि दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. You do not need heavy graphics, heavy assets, heavy 3D models to make a good game. आप एक सिंपल बिल्कुल 2D ब्लैक एंड वाइट ग्राफिक्स के साथ भी बहुत अच्छी गेम बना सकते हो. मेन चीज़ है कि आप अपने ऊपर यकीन रखो और अच्छा आइडिया लाओ, अच्छी उसके अंदर प्रॉपर आपकी लेवल डेवलपमेंट होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आपकी 2-3 लेवल आपने बस बनाए एंड यू जस्ट लेफ्ट इट. स्टोरी बिल्डिंग करें, उसमें टाइम लगाएं, फिर आपकी गेम अच्छी होगी. दूसरा ये कि जो लोग ऑलरेडी इंडस्ट्री में है उनको चाहिए कि वो सेमिनार्स और इस तरह वेबिनार्स वगैरह बनाएं ताकि लोगों को मोटिवेट करें, उनको बताएं कि लुक दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव अचीव, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव डन एंड यू कैन डू दिस एज वेल. इस चीज़ की बहुत कमी है गेम डेवलपमेंट में क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बहुत कम लोग हैं इसमें, स्पेशली पाकिस्तान इंडस्ट्री में देयर आर वेरी फ्यू सॉफ्टवेयर हाउसेज. मेजॉरिटी वर डूइंग, जैसे आप लोगों ने कहा कि मेजॉरिटी वर जस्ट डूइंग क्लोनिंग. उसकी वजह से डेवलपर्स जो हैं अगर वो क्रिएटिव हैं भी तो उनकी क्रिएटिविटी खत्म हो जाती है. दे कैंट डू व्हाट दे वांट टू डू, दे कैंट इम्प्लीमेंट देयर आइडियाज इफ दे आर नॉट गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो इस चीज की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है.
So ठीक है, so what I'm going to bring in from the entrepreneurial industry.
To this is, yeah, I'm going to just add something to this. It's very important that you know, you talk about creativity, yes, and a lot of times there's one facet in game development, especially in Pakistan, that is not given enough importance, which is narrative design. Games technically both sound hongi, lekin narrative nahi hota, and narrative is a very important and very overlooked part because we're looking for if there's other hyper casual game, and hyper casual ka jo life cycle hai wo bahut kam hota hai, it hits a high and then theek hai. I'll give you an example that Optera did. We actually created a game for young adults. It was a visual novel for World Bank. It was World Bank ka sabse pehla video game ever. It's pretty cool. It was called Aajkal Ka Zamana. It was the tale of two friends and unki jo choices hai as you're their friend and you influence choices and un choices ke consequences hote and then the world changes around you and you're basically in this town called Azadabad. It's very similar to Pakistan and udhar sara kuch, you know, it's influencing, it's teaching kids, you know, your actions have consequences through real time events. So, you know, I think it's very important that a game can be as basic as possible, but if the narrative is strong, that game will be a success and that game will actually go far. We had very basic assets made in-house and stuff. And it was done within like, I think, mahine mein bana. Oh my God. Yeah, we made a comic and a game in a month. Okay? A company में सारा कुछ simultaneously चला रहे थे, and we're a team of 10 people, so you know it is not impossible, but you know and yeah, they mentioned Telltale games. You know, I know the people at Telltale. Emily, the writer for Walking Dead and Batman, is one of my mentors, and she's actually introduced me to the whole team. I've met them, and they were a very small team, skeleton crew thi, working on these games, and it shows you choices, consequences, actions, and it really drives even casual gamers in, and that's something that Pakistan really needs to adopt. Narrative.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. ठीक है, जितनी भी whenever you speak to people, that's what they say कि अब भाई whatever you're trying to design, कोई भी आपका concept है, horror game है, whatever game it may be, at the end of the day, the characters, people have to fall in love with the characters. It's like watching a film now, right? And actually you're playing inside that film. You're actually the main character. Say, who doesn't want, I wanted to be an actress when I was growing up, okay? Who doesn't want to be the person in that? Seher, kuch kehna cha rahi ho? Seher, what do you want to say? You want to add something?
मैं कहना चाहती थी कि एक फैक्टर मेरे कमिंग फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस, मैंने भी एक चीज फील की है ये कि यूजुअली ये भी होता है अक्सर लूपहोल, कि वन ऑफ द लूपहोल्स के आप जो गेम आप बनाते हुए कस्टमर्स एंड का ना ज़्यादा ख्याल नहीं रखते, लाइक उन पे उतना फोकस नहीं रखा जा रहा होता, और आप ज़्यादा फोकस रख रहे होते हो अपना जो आपने आइडिया अपने दिमाग में ले आए हो, जो आपका आइडिया है, आप उसी पे फोकस रखते हुए उसको डिज़ाइन और उसका यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस, उसकी यूआई और वो सब करते करते इतना टाइम लगा देते हो कि बाय द टाइम वो आप पूरी गेम बनती है, वो मतलब उसका वो जो हाइप होती है वो जाते जाते कम हो जाती है. अक्सर ये पॉइंट्स भी बहुत आते हैं, और फिर जब चली भी जाती है वंस इट्स लाइव, तो तब भी इवन कस्टमर्स को थोड़ा प्रायोरिटी कम दी जाती है. मेरे ख्याल से सबसे ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी यूजर्स, जो एंड यूजर है, जो यूज कर चाहिए, ना कि जो आप खुद सोच रहे हो. जो भी आपका प्रोडक्ट टीम है, जो भी है, वो ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी हो रखी होती है, जो उन्होंने डिजाइन सोचा है उसको उस हिसाब से रखना है. ये एक फैक्टर. मैंने अपने तीनों, मतलब मेरे तीनों गेमिंग, मैंने जितना भी एक्सपीरियंस है, ये मैंने हर जगह फेस किया है. मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है.
Okay, so look guys, because we asked people to submit their questions they have. अच्छा, so एक question हमारे पास आया हुआ है, which is more profitable, mobile, web or desktop app, desktop game? What is the best technology? कौन जवाब देगा जल्दी से?
It's a very tricky question. Honestly, because God of War ने बहुत पैसा कमाया है, but PUBG Mobile ने भी बहुत पैसा कमाया है. So God
बेसिकली
of
अगर
War.
आप छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स देखना चाह रहे हो तो आई फील लाइक कि वेब डेवलपमेंट इज समथिंग दैट कैन गिव यू मोर मनी इन शॉर्ट टर्म, लेकिन इफ यू हैव अ गुड आइडिया एंड यू कैन डेवलप अ गुड गेम, इट कैन रीच मैस ऑडियंस. आपके
So
पास
let me
लिटरली
नहीं, वो
कैन
क्वेश्चन
रीच होल वर्ल्ड
डेवलपमेंट
विद इट.
वो पूछ रहे हैं कि वेब बेस्ड गेम वर्सेस मोबाइल गेम वर्सेस कंसोल गेम वर्सेस आर्केड गेम्स, कौन से गेम में सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी है?
In my opinion, it will be mobile games, वैसे, because
I think it's subjective.
everyone is on the way, everyone is on the run, everyone has their mobiles with them all the time. तो उन्होंने कोई भी गेम खेलनी हो तो they just take out their mobile and they start playing. उसके अलावा अगर आप वेब पे जाना चाह रहे हो या आप पीसी गेम खेलना चाह रहे हो तो only hardcore gamers या वो लोग जो स्पेशली एक टाइम साइट पे निकालें अपनी गेम खेलने के लिए, they will be playing that. मोबाइल गेमर्स इस वजह से सबसे ज्यादा इस वक्त हमारी इंडस्ट्री बूम कर रही है क्योंकि देयर इज सो मच पोटेंशियल इनटू इट. इवन छोटे से बच्चे से लेकर एक बड़ी एज के आदमी तक के हाथ में मोबाइल एंड दे आर प्लेइंग डिफरेंट गेम्स ऑन इट.
बिल्कुल ठीक है जी. आप कुछ
statistically speaking, sorry, I'm just cutting in a bit. About 60% of the revenue gaming went to mobile games. Like 60%, which
And
is a
it's
big
rising,
chunk of it. It's like more than half. Or the baki 40% hai, that got divided into PS games, console based, Steam, इस तरह की चीजें. MOBA को देख लो, it's like right at the top अभी इस वक्त. I don't think MOBA को कोई भी parallel कर रहा है इस वक्त. MOBA for mobile.
All about
So
accessibility. It's how you can access it, how quickly you can access it. Everybody from the higher tabka to the lower tabka can access it, especially in Pakistan. हमारा lower tabka हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा economy को influence करता है, funnily enough, and हमारा lower tabka बहुत खेलता है PUBG. So and mobile games बहुत खेलते हैं.
बहुत सारे खेलते हैं. अच्छा, एक और सवाल है, ठीक है? I'm going to jump to the next question because I think आप लोगों ने अच्छी तरह आंसर कर दिया. How can we utilize advanced gaming to innovate classroom culture in educational institutions for girls? काफी specific
gamification. Gamification तो बहुत ऊपर जा रही है. Yes, people are loving it. People are doing it. People in Pakistan are adopting it because especially with COVID, people have had to move to online classes, and online you can't be expecting a teacher to sit there and teach like 20-40 kids Zoom पे. मतलब come on, be real ना. तो उसके लिए people are coming up with gamification ways of educational institutions are paying game developers and इस तरह के लोगों को they're hiring them कि यार हमारी grade 4 का syllabus को please interesting बना दो, games में कर दो.
कोई ideas हैं specifically? हमारे पास कोई ideas हैं? We understand that. I think the
we have actually implemented one. एक तो classroom के लिए भी, and one was for क्या कहते हैं, for jobs. So when you're looking for jobs, the person to business fit, we actually designed a game around that to fit your person to the right organization. It's called C Factor, and women actually played it because more women played it because they found that rather than an interview, which is often overwhelming because of men around, वो औरतों को ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था कि गेम के थ्रू वो अपने आप को एनालाइज करें और देखें कि how can they solve these problems and stuff. Same way, we're actually launching something for classrooms. It's going to be around COVID and teaching kids about COVID and how in classrooms you can actually learn about it and try to prevent it happening, and if it happens to someone, how to respond, because these are questions that are quite tricky and sometimes parents can't answer these things. So not just typical classroom stuff but also atypical classroom stuff that is often not or considered taboo in the classroom. I think we can address a lot of taboo subjects through games in classrooms, stuff
so
about maybe yes, no, please.
So I'm just going to do a shout out to Aurat Raj, right? So Aurat Raj touches upon, growing up and, the whole cycle that you go through. I don't know if you know Sabah Khalid or not.
Yes,
but
exactly.
Fantastic way of doing it through an animated, series.
Exactly.
But okay.
And see, as games put you in the center of it all, you can actually learn empathy. If this girl is going through this, or if this boy is going through this, what does this mean? How do we tackle it? How do we deal with it, etc. Because you're in it. You're a part of that. Gamification loop, basically.
Okay, another question which is very interesting and I do want you guys to answer it live is, what lessons are we learning from Turkey and Finland? Ji, who wants to answer? क्या lessons हम सीख रहे हैं कुछ Turkey, Finland से? या नहीं सीख रहे अभी? कुछ सीखने की हमें ज़रूरत है?
सीखने की तो ज़रूरत है.
जी, जवेद.
मतलब is this question related to gamified education या the game industry in general?
Game industry in general. game industry in general?
Okay, with regards to game industry in general, because I've visited Finland a couple of times and interacted with the game industry over there, what I really like about their gaming community is that it's based on skill sharing and helping each other advance their careers. So basically, there's a lot of collaboration and skill sharing across teams and across companies. What I was told was that they make the most of their entire workforce, men and women, and there's not a lot of room for professional jealousy या ये क्या competitiveness तो होती है, लेकिन ये कि as a whole they're lifting each other up. So I would say that is one thing that I really liked about their gaming community, and we could really use that in Pakistan.
Okay, so I'm going to now ask another question. इसी से follow on करके. So obviously हमने देखा marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, etc. Is there room to set up a platform like that जहाँ पे सारे storytellers भी हैं मौजूद और 3D artists and 2D artists भी मौजूद हैं, and it's like it's specifically designed for the gaming industry? Do you think that is something which could help?
A lot of the gaming industry जो developers हैं, they already use Upwork and the Fiverr. There's a lot of work in freelance जो game design, game industry के साथ है. Like I said, game industry is a very big industry. There's a lot of money in it, so this is absolutely a very good. I mean, opportunities there for sure.
Okay. All right. So, okay. All right. Then we've got another question which says, do you make games just for Pakistan, or have they been used and played in other countries?
Exclusively for Europe.
Okay. All right.
Can't say much because NDA signed kiya hua hai, but working on a AAA game right now. So.
Very good. Faryal, after your question. Faryal, there was a specific question for you, which is how did you come up with your company's name and logo?
Oh, okay. Wow. Fun story. So I've been actually sitting on this name for about 2014 kab tha? 6 saal pehle. I don't know if you guys have heard or played, or I don't know, YouTube पे sorry देखा होगा. Little Big Planet का पता है किसी को?
Yes.
Okay, so you know Little Big Planet, and it's got a character called Oddsock right in the very beginning. So you have to collect 3 marbles and आप Oddsock को unlock करते हो. So I was a big fan of the game, ठीक है? And पहले Little Big Planet 1 खेली, सारी खत्म कर दी, फिर Little Big Planet 2 खेली, 3 का बहुत इंतजार था. And वो आई and I played it, and जैसे निकली I had to play it, and just the first level was okay, you have to collect 3 marbles, and there's this really cute dog-like sack bot thing, essentially a sock puppet, and उसका नाम Oddsock था. And it was so fascinating because पहली 2 games में it was just one character, and then in the third game they introduced Toggle and Oddsock and a couple of others, and I just got so fascinated that around that time I started naming. I renamed my iPhone to be Oddsock, and then गाड़ी का जो Bluetooth होता है वो Oddsock था, मेरे laptop का नाम Oddsock था, हर जगह it was just Oddsock everywhere, and yeah, eventually when I was about to name the company, I was like, it has to be Oddsock.
Absolutely. Brilliant. Do you know a friend of mine is called Charlene? And she's called Charlene because when her mom was expecting her, वो TV show देखती थी जिसके अंदर character का नाम Charlene था, right? And she's like, oh yeah, that's a nice name. And you'll remember कि वो जब वो Marina Khan, when she was being casted, right? So Zoya, a lot of girls are called Zoya from that time, right? Acha, okay, so another question is, games or animation, where are we making the most as Pakistanis? Yeah, हम क्या ज़्यादा
I think ज़्यादा games में जा रहा है हमारा. But I think a game developer
use Ori to make animations that the way they did with Allah, they used Unreal to actually make an animation. So
which was pretty amazing.
They're mutually dependent now, and they're codependent now. Symbiotic relationship chal raha ab to.
Okay, so guys, I'm quickly going to read out some positive comments that are coming in. Somebody saying, loving these rockstar ladies, heart, it's a girl, okay? Then we've got somebody who says, Khaya, isi ke andar balki kisi ne type kiya hua hai, you've got a fan, okay? So the person is saying that, can you be my sensei? Khaya. I'm impressed by your word. Khaya. Okay, all right. Another thing that I want to quickly ask, so yes, everybody is asking what kind of games do you guys play? So because I'm cognizant of the fact 9 बजे से हम ऊपर जा चुके हैं, I understand, ठीक है? Thank you so much, extra time आपने दिया हमें. अच्छा, so जल्दी सब लोग बताएं कि कौन-कौन से games हैं, ठीक है, जो आप लोग खेलते हैं. And then also in the meantime, I'm going to ask you to think of one final message, tip, whatever you want to leave behind young people, especially girls, जो कि pursue करना चाहती हैं gaming industry, ठीक है? जो कह चुकी हैं बातें वो मत repeat करें. We heard you. Something new. Okay. All right. So game and then your tip. Gee, Javeria has unmuted, so go ahead.
I really like Stardew Valley. I mean, people think that farming simulators are just, lame, but that game actually helped me through a very difficult time in my life. And because of that game, I started researching media psychology and the positive aspects of games and how we can play games mindfully. So I'm still discovering that particular aspect and mental wellness in games. As for tips, thank you. As for tips, I think I would like to give artists some tips, especially for those who are coming from a traditional art background. They develop a good aesthetic sense. It's not enough that you have a visual interest in games. It's always good to have a diverse visual library, be interested in fashion design, be interested in architecture, be interested in even fiction or non-fiction, because these are all different places from which you can draw inspiration and it will add a unique voice to your work. And for those people who think acha hum logon ne to traditional art ki ya fine art ya sculpturing, you have those skills. You can easily learn a software to transfer those skills into the digital medium, and that will open up more doors for you. So don't hesitate to try these things out.
Perfect. Thank you, Javeria. Okay. Yes, Ji Maham.
About games, well, mera interest change hota rehta hai, so everything, but generally I move towards playing open world games like Horizon and Final Fantasy. Aajkal main Final Fantasy 7 khel rahi hu. I love that game. And racing games. Lekin lately koi achhi racing game aayi nahi hai. The last one was Drive, jo maine kheli thi, and I loved that one. But mostly मैं PS4 fan हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. PlayStation family है मेरी, तो मैं सिर्फ सारे PlayStation रखे हैं मेरे पास. So I tend to just play that or PUBG Mobile. So everyone is like PUBG Mobile पे सारे bots होते हैं, but नहीं होते. If you just move out of the first 10 ranks, तो bots नहीं होते, फिर आपकी बहुत पिटाई होती है. So yeah, PUBG Mobile is very fun. About the message, I would say कि for all the young girls, बहुत सारे hesitation है. अभी भी honestly I know कि अभी तक hesitation from family side and sibling side, बिरादरी side ना, अभी तक वो perception जिंदा है कि gaming is not for women and gaming is not for girls, and it's a tough field. What I can say is that they're right in one thing: it's a tough field. It's a challenging field. It's not tough. It's a very challenging field. So if you're up for a challenge, come over, join us, and trust me, we will take care of you, and we will make sure कि जितने भी जो stereotypes वगैरह हैं ना, ये सारे, we're working towards ending them, and we will keep working towards ending them, and we will take care of you. It's not a problem.
Okay, so tell me, by the way, have you guys ever played Pooyan?
No.
See, that's the thing. Whenever I ask, everybody says they never played Pooyan. I would invite you guys. आप लोग जाके देखें. वो मेरे ज़माने का गेम है, ठीक है? और उसके अंदर एक pigs की family होती है. They get, oh, maybe Nafe has played because he's saying cute. Do you know the game, Nafe? Please say yes, okay? But anyway, go ahead and search it, यार. मतलब इतना cute game है. वो pig होते हैं, वो उठा लेते हैं सारे babies को, and then you've got to kill them with balloons. You shoot them with balloons, right? So how cute is that? Yeah. Okay, anyway, so over to Anam. जी, Anam, क्या कहना चाहती हैं आप? कौन से गेम्स खेलती हैं? What is the message?
लीग ऑफ लेजेंड्स तो मैंने बता दिया. उसके अलावा आई रियली लाइक गेम्स जहाँ पे कोई ना कोई आपने बिल्डिंग अपना कोई ना कोई एम्पायर बिल्ड करना हो. लाइक आई ग्रू अप प्लेइंग एज ऑफ एम्पायर्स, all types of Rise of Kingdoms, Age of Empire 1, 2, 3, then Anu 14 or 4, and उसके बाद फिर मैं शिफ्ट हुई थी शूटिंग एंड दीज लीग ऑफ लेजेंड्स टाइप गेम्स. शूटिंग में आई लाइक PUBG
Anam
Mobile.
Generals खेलो.
Okay.
Ooh,
Command and
Jabal
Conquer
Fox,
Gen
yeah.
Z. We need to play a game together. नहीं ये
So
खेलनी है
good,
अब.
yes.
Okay.
I've heard of all of these. I've never played.
Stronghold is another game that is very good in that genre. तो बेसिकली बस ये गेम्स हैं. PUBG मोबाइल में खेलती हूँ. जो थी CS 1.4 बहुत ज़्यादा खेली है यूनिवर्सिटी में. आई थिंक आई वाज द ओनली गर्ल इनिशियली हु वाज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द टूर्नामेंट्स, और मेरी ऑल बॉयज़ और एक मेरी होती थी. एंड एवरीवन वुड बी लाइक, ओ इसको तो इस वजह से रखा है क्योंकि ये लड़की है. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. फिर उनको फिर सही उनके अंदर धोया था मैंने पकड़ के. तो बहुत मज़ा आया था. तो एडवाइस मैं अपकमिंग फीमेल्स को ये दूंगी कि डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ टेकिंग रिस्क. आप लोग रिस्क लेने से मत डरें. जिंदगी में जब तक आप गिरते नहीं ना हो, कोई ना कोई स्टेप नहीं लेते हो, तो आप कुछ सीखते नहीं हो. अगर आप सब कुछ सेफ स्टेप्स लेके करने की कोशिश करोगे, यू वोंट बी एबल टू अचीव बिग थिंग्स इन लाइफ. आप सिर्फ वो स्टेप्स ले रहे होगे जो हर कोई ले रहा है, एंड यू विल बी फॉलोइंग everyone who is doing the same things. Try to do something unique, something different that you like yourself. That is my only advice for this thing.
Okay. All right. So we have got a request from Park Global Tech Summit, because I'm sure उनके किसी session के साथ अब ये clash कर रहा है, because we had thought of 9 PM. So Faya, जल्दी से अपना message दो. Games बाद में
I'm gonna
बताना
keep it
चलो.
short. Games mein I don't have a specific genre. Whatever story is good, I play it. At the moment, I'm replaying Mass Effect 2. All-time favorite games are Red Dead Redemption 2, Batman, the Arkham trilogy, Final Fantasy 7 and X, or Devil May Cry 3, or kaun si games. I'm missing out Assassin's Creed. Love Assassin's Creed. Origins and Black Flag Zindabad. So yeah, and two
Hard for a
Ezio.
gamer.
Hard for Ezio. So yes.
Okay. Who is left? Ji, Fayyad.
I like platforming games. Platformer games. I recently played Ori and the Blind Forest. उसका part 2 भी खेल लिया. Little Big Planet दोबारा शुरू कर लिया. उस तरह की मुझे कोई और game मिली नहीं actually, so बार-बार वही खेल रही हूँ. Unravel, excellent game. उसके अलावा No Man's Sky को बहुत explore किया है, मजे की थी. Got boring towards the middle part. And उसके अलावा Dota, of course, obviously. तो वो गया तो gaming हो ही नहीं सकती. Advice would just be to not be discouraged, which sounds like a cliche, but yeah, there it is. And definitely just keep practicing your skill. If you're into art, if you want to go into digital art, concept artist बनना है, अच्छे references देखो, be inspired, be motivated, don't give up, keep practicing, keep polishing. And always look towards better art. And अगर कोई game खेली है, कोई game पसंद है, God of War को देख लो, Ori and the Blind Forest के इतने प्यारे graphics हैं. Look into it, look how it was made, look at the concept art, look at the color palettes, and just do your research and don't make the same mistakes other people did. अगर panel में हम कह रहे हैं कि हमारे से गलती हो गई थी, don't go around making the same mistakes saying नहीं मैं जब तक करूँगी नहीं मैं सीखूंगी कैसे. नहीं यार, लोग कर चुके हैं, ठीक है. Try to learn from them, make new mistakes. हाँ, don't make the same ones.
Don't repeat the same ones. Absolutely.
Don't repeat the same mistakes.
Okay.
I forgot my message. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to say mentor. Find a mentor. Very important gaming industry में mentor ढूंढो. And before my significant other kills me by spamming me with messages, Halo is my all-time favorite game, which I forgot to mention. ठीक है, मेरा significant other मार देगा मुझे before I end with this proclamation.
Okay. What about you, Mohammed Seher again? जल्दी अपने messages बता दें.
मैं हो चुकी हूँ.
मेरे पे टेंशन आ जाती है कि जल्दी एंड करो.
अच्छा मैं वैसे अब मेरे पे वैसे इतना प्रेशर हो गया जल्दी करना है. अच्छा मैं ऑनेस्टली मैं अभी तक यहाँ पे जितनी भी मैं सबसे कम गेमर हूँ. मैं जो हार्डकोर गेम्स है मैंने नहीं खेली ज़्यादा, बहुत कम खेली हैं. लेकिन मैं यूजुअली ज़्यादातर कैजुअल गेम्स खेलती हूँ. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने स्टैक बॉल खेलना शुरू किया है. वो पता नहीं किसी ने भी नहीं खेली होगी शायद. बिल्कुल कैंडी क्रश, एंग्री बर्ड्स टाइप जो कैजुअल गेम्स होती हैं मैं उन्हीं में मेरा यूजुअली इंटरेस्ट रहता है. बाकी गेम्स मैंने बहुत कम खेली हैं. और मेरा मैसेज यही है कि ऑलवेज लाइक बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ और कॉन्फिडेंस कभी भी नेवर लूज होप और कॉन्फिडेंस. गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में आना है तो यू डू नॉट हैव टू बी अ गेमर. लाइक आई हैव सर्वाइव्ड इन गेमिंग फॉर 6 years and I was not a gamer. I am still not a gamer. I think I would have survived even more, but वो मेरी अपनी personal preference ही क्या है इस वक्त. But I guess that is it.
Okay, so ladies, I'm going to stop here because we've ran over. So thank you so much. A big round of applause to all of
Summer,
you.
just
Okay.
one last thing.
Oh my God.
Casual gamers, no, just very small. Casual gaming का बहुत scene on है. Jelly Splash का
Yes.
I've crossed level 980. So
I
just
hate
don't discard casual games. They're like
Yeah,
really
playing
good
Chef
and
Wars.
really good.
Yeah,
मैं भी
casual
casual
game
games
का
खेलती
scene
हूँ.
है. Yeah.
Okay, so
with
ladies, thank you very, very
980.
much. Thank you for being inspiring. Thank you for being the rock stars of the industry.
Of
Thank you for being the super women of the industry. And I'm so glad that we found this panel thanks to Maham again and PWIC and
you.
IDG and everybody pitching in, okay? So thank you very much because I think
Thank you
you've
for having
sent
us.
across a very strong message on, anybody can do it. Anybody can enter into gaming. So your fear of entry, etc. Those are your own, kind of barriers. Yes, you do need male allies. We heard about brothers and fathers and mentors, both girls and guys. So I think let's stick with that. And thank you. And we'll have you back again. Okay. There's something cooking.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Alright.
much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much,
Bye.
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.